That's my pre-emergent in the tank, and this is going to be insecticide, bug control in the tank, rinsing out my cup as I'm going, rinsing that into the tank. No stirring needed because it's being agitated as I mix. And then floor green right here. I'm doing my beds today. I'm in a little bit of a rush because the guys are coming in the morning first thing to put my pine needles down, and my daughter's got a ball game here in a minute, so I got to roll. I want to show you the versatility and the quickness of the cart buddy. How y'all doing? And my premium gun with the boom nozzle. I'll show you how to cover a lot of ground really quickly. Top that off with a little bit of water. Pop off my gun. Bleed the hose. Crank up the pressure a little bit. Just pushing the water out of the hose and getting material, my spray solution, to the end of the gun here, the end of the hose. That quick, look at there. See how it's changed colors? Nice and yellow. I will cut that off, put my gun on, stick my gun right here, turn it on. Ooh. Oh, that's got a little bit of a leak. Oh crap, I forgot to tighten that up. Let me go tighten this up. All right, sorry about that. I just grabbed the parts from the shop to make a gun right quick. Let's see, I'm gonna crank this up to 20 PSI. So the only real difference between the cart buddy and spray buddies is cart buddy. Obviously, it's a cart. You get to roll it around wherever you want to on a hard surface. It's not intended to be rolled around in the yard, even with the big tires on it, which will be coming standard on the big tires will be coming standard on the 50-gallon cart buddy. See my boom nozzle right here? Covering wide area. If I want to cover a narrow area, I just hold it down a little bit. Cool thing about this particular mix, if I happen to get any on the grass, it's 100% safe because all these are things that you put on your grass anyway. All right. Let me crank that pressure up just a little bit. Oh yeah. Now I can roll. All right. So come on and go with me. Let's go this way. I'm gonna set you right there. Hopefully the lighting is okay. Like I said, usually I'm not in this kind of a rush, but the guys are coming first thing in the morning to do my pine needles. Another cool thing about this application is it's going to rain. What's today? Monday. They're doing my needles tomorrow, Tuesday, and Wednesday. It's supposed to be a decent rain all day long, so all this will get watered in. Be good to go. This is a big part of my bed over here. Man, I hope you can see me. It's getting dark, but like I said, this is real life stuff right here. No weed killer in here, because all that would be counterproductive to your landscape plants, so you don't want that in here. But the pre-emergent will help keep down some weeds throughout the year. If you don't like spraying pre-emergent, I've got granular options as well for your bedded areas or natural areas. right around here like this right here. Alright, so as I'm going back, I'm going to pick up chunks of my hose and take it with me. Just like this. Oh yeah. That was a shady part of the yard, so I think you might be able to see a little bit better over here. So all I'm going to do, set you down back here a little ways. Maybe you can see me. Again, sorry for the poor production. I really wanted to show you the versatility of these sprayers and how much time they save you. And my schedule just didn't allow me to film it at a different time. So it is what it is. Oh, this nozzle is so dang sweet. Alright, so I got that done. All I'm gonna do is go over here and change direction on my sprayer. Lock the brakes on it. On. And come on, you go with me. And we're gonna go out here. And watch this. I'm coming right here. Grab my hose. Pull it on out here. Get it stretched out in the yard a little bit. I'm gonna set you. Oh my gosh, the lighting's terrible. Gosh, this stinks, guys. I'm so sorry. Spraying all this open area. I can even go back behind these cryptomeria. I'm actually standing in one spot and spraying, I don't know, 12, 13, 14 feet back behind here. The coverage on this is really nice. Got a super nice pattern on this thing. Come right around here to my flagpole. Yeah, I'll show you this procedure again in better light. So don't be ticked at me because you can't see it. Like I said, this is real life stuff right here for me. My daughter's really got a game here in a little bit, and the guys are really coming to put the pine needles down tomorrow. And it's really going to rain Wednesday. So, nothing I can do about that. This is a waste of time. You ain't going to be able to see nothing. I'll tell you what I'll do. I haven't done the beds out there at the bluegrass. Just bear with me. I'll get up early in the morning before I take my son to school, and I'll go out there and hit those beds in the bluegrass or around the bluegrass. You'll be able to see that real good in the morning. That way you can get a good look at this. If you did this with a backpack sprayer, it would take you forever to do it. I mean, it'd be an all-day job almost. You have to fill up multiple times. That's why I designed and created the Cart Buddy and Spray Buddy line of sprayers for the homeowner. Save you time. Yeah, it's an investment. I get that. But how much is your time worth? That's my question. If you like me, your time's worth a lot. So I need to be able to do things quickly and efficiently. Not to mention accurately. all my spray buddies, cart buddies, are as accurate as it's gonna get. I built them, designed them off of 20 years of spraying turf, and took everything I've learned during that time and put it into these spray systems. Come right through here. I don't want this pattern to be quite as wide, so I'm just holding it a little lower to the ground. All right. Got all that part done. Come right over here. Cut the sprayer off. Get my camera. There's a leaf in my yard. That's got to go. And let's take you right over here. Jax, you about ready? Again, I'm gonna do all this in the daylight, but I've already went through the trouble of moving the camera around and filming it, so I'm gonna put it on YouTube anyway. I don't like wasting my effort. Look how quickly you can roll that joker up once you get good with it. Keep that thing nice and neat and tight. Going back and forth, left and right. Now the poet didn't know it, and rhyme anytime. Again, bear with me. I'll get up in the morning and you'll see the rest of this video then. I got just enough material in there to do the beds around the bluegrass. See you in the morning. All right, back at it. You'll definitely be able to see a little bit better this morning. And again, I apologize for last night, but you want real life with me, then that's what you get. I'm gonna get this little bit right here while I'm here. I'm right here on the back side of the building. You can see this thing's got such a clean and definite line on the leading edge and the edge closest to you that I can get my height just right, and I'm dropping a clean line up there next to the building and a clean line right here along the grass edge, and doing it in one pass. Ain't that cool? And look, just come around, follow, lower, boom. Done. Remember last night in the dark, I did all this behind these trees. I'm just connecting to where I left off. Pro guys with ride-on spreaders, Turfware Steel Green, Z-Spray, whatever brand name, and you have the spot spray system or the little curly wand, curly hose. Can't even have talk this morning. The little curly hose, coil hose, whatever you call it. This gun right here is a ticket. 10 times better than the one that comes on any of those from the factory. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Watch this right here. Let's get this light just right. Now, let's see. Look at that. You can see I'm covering the whole width of that bed. Now, you ain't got to do it that way. You can go in here and cover half the bed like this, and then come back and do the other half of the bed. Look at that. Maybe with that sun behind the camera, you can see that pattern, that spray pattern real good. This is my POA annual bed. It's all kind of, it's POA like crazy in this bed right here. Fortunately, it hadn't got in my bluegrass. All right, let's set you right here. Here's a big long bed. I'm just gonna leave that set up and we'll do the whole thing back here. Matter of fact, I could just walk and do this edge right quick and then go back and fill in. Look at that nice straight clean line falling right on the edge of the grass. But again, you get this in your grass, it's not gonna hurt a thing. Look at that right there. Boy, it's pretty. I do have these custom made in America. They're made with 303 stainless steel, and they are quick disconnect. And this is the nozzle I'm talking about. The gun, we source those and then build them out to with a female QD. That way you can use this nozzle on the QD, or you can use any other nozzle that has a 1/4 inch male plug, and you got one gun fits them all. It's a pretty cool setup. Look at that right there, boy. One of the next videos I do, I'll show you how to spray turf with this particular nozzle. All right, so you guys sit right here. Now I got just a touch left. I'm gonna lose it in that big area. Oh yeah. Look at that right there. Ah, it's so pretty. All right, so we'll go in here and think I got time to take Jack to school so he won't be late. You want a real life, there's your real life situation on how I use this and how it works pretty quickly. And again, I'll make you a little more better video and show this in doing bed areas and grass areas and that kind of thing. Check you later. Oh, have a good day today.